Hey guys, today is February the 26th, 2026. You are on the road with Dale, and I appreciate you joining the convoy today. So after wiring and plumbing, another system is installed that most people don't think about until it stops working. Your heating, cooling, and air conditioning, HVAC. HVAC does not make a house stand, and it doesn't clean it, but it does regulate it. It controls temperature. It moves stale air out and brings fresh air in. Without it, a house becomes uncomfortable, sometimes unbearable, even if everything else is working. And spiritually, this matters. Prayer functions like air in the Christian life. Scripture tells us in 1 Thessalonians 5:17, pray without ceasing. Prayer isn't a crisis tool, it's a constant one. You don't hold your breath until an emergency. You breathe continually. HVAC systems don't react emotionally. They regulate. When it's too hot, they cool. When it's too cold, they warm. Spiritually, prayer regulates us the same way. It slows us down when emotions run hot. It strengthens us when the soul feels cold. And it keeps the inner climate livable. Without prayer, pressure builds, stress accumulates, reactions replace responses. Scripture reminds us in Philippians 4:6, be careful for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God. HVAC also filters the air. Dust doesn't always enter dramatically. It settles slowly. Spiritually, prayer filters anxious thoughts, unresolved emotions, subtle bitterness, unspoken fear. Not by force, but by consistency. And like your HVAC, prayer works best when it's maintained. Neglected systems don't fail loudly at first. They fail gradually. And here's the encouragement for today. You don't need to pray louder. You need to pray regularly. Prayer isn't about impressing God. He already knows. It's about staying regulated before Him. When prayer becomes rhythmic, peace becomes normal, clarity increases, and reactions lose control. Light gives direction, flow brings cleansing, breath brings stability, and a regulated inner life can endure long seasons without collapse. Guys, we'll talk about more systems tomorrow on the road with Dale.